In this video, I'll show you how you can change your profile picture on Discord. Now first what you need to do is you need to press on your icon down here, select edit profile. From in here you're gonna click on your profile picture, change avatar. Now you can either choose a GIF if you have Nitro, or you can upload a picture. Just go in here, find the picture you want to do. Let's say it's this one. Press open. Now you can decide how much you want it zoomed in and where you want to do it. And you simply just press apply. After that's done, your picture will be changed. And like I said, if you have Nitro, you can actually have little GIFs and videos as your profile picture. But I don't have Discord Nitro. So that's how you can do it, guys. It's super simple. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as that will help me as well. Thank you so much for watching.